day long I think of you, Renea. And when I hold you in my arms, I want you. No, I can't wait, Renea. I'm on my way. You came to me one morning. You took me by surprise. I really wasn't looking to be so hypnotized. Your way with words, your gentle style. As I read each phrase you wrote down, couldn't help but smile. I thank God for sending you to me. Although we're living miles apart, I'm with you with all my heart, Renea. I'm on my way. Emails daily back and forth, clear across the land. Dancing virtual waltzes, holding cyber hands. I'd drive 1,000 miles for you, just to hold you close, my love, and look into your